guys! How are you? I'm Roxanne, the baker and owner on Pan de Ordi dito sa Hamilton, Ontario. Grabe, what a weekend! Non-stop baking, decorating cakes, pickups, and deliveries. For those na bago dito, quick intro muna. Sa Pan de Ordi, we make Filipino-inspired cakes and desserts. Ang pinaka-best seller namin, syempre, yung ube cake. Soft, creamy, super sarap, pero meron din kaming mango graham, pistachio, kanafi, at iba pa. Best part of what I do, yung malaman na yung cakes namin, part ng birthdays, milestones, at celebrations ninyo. Yun yung nagpapasaya at nagbibigay ng energy sa akin, kahit sobrang busy. Ngayon, it's Labor Day here in Ontario. While most people were resting, ako naman super occupied sa kitchen for the long weekend orders. By Monday, honestly, sobrang pagod na ako. On top of baking, nag-prepare pa ako ng back-to-school stuff for the kids. Shopping, labeling, organizing, you name it. Kaya nung sabi ni Habi, let's go to Canada's Wonderland with our friends from Toronto, ang initial reaction ko, hala, no energy na. Pero then I thought, kailangan ko rin mag-recharge. Kaya go na rin, and I'm also glad I did. Pagdating namin sa Wonderland, iba talaga kapag yung kids yung kasama. Usually kasi naka-line up kami sa kiddie rides. Habol dito, habol doon. Pero this time, big rides all the way. We went on about 5 to 6 rides. Roller coasters, spinning rides, lahat na. Grabe yung sigaw at tawa namin. May mga moments na feeling ko mahihilo talaga ako or I'll throw up. Pero super worth it.
Saan yung kating ko?
Oh, like.
Saan yung white flower?
Like.
Nahihilo na ako eh.
Saan naman
Flight deck na tayo.
Light deck na daw.
Bakay mo.
Pero alam nyo, hindi lang rides ang highlight. Even yung lining up time, naging fun. Nakapag-catch up kami with our friends. Kasi diba pag sa parents na, bihira na yung long conversations. Kaya habang nakapila, we talk, laugh, even played little games para pampalipas oras. Simple lang, pero sobrang saya.
Where are we going? Pang anong ride to? Sixth ride. Parents day out! Single mom! Char!
Hindi nagra-rides yung asawa ko.
Getting some drinks.
Tawag yan sa school bus.
Bye, Wonderland. Home time!
Parang itim ko na.
After all the dizziness and tawa, syempre gutom na. So we headed to Captain's Boil, seafood galore, crab, shrimp, mussels, messy, pero super sarap, and syempre, kwentuhan pa rin over food. By the end of dinner, busog na, happy na, and ready to go home. Back to mommy and daddy duties na ulit. So ayun, it was the perfect parents' day out before pasukan bukas. Ang sarap ng feeling to take a short break, spend time with hubby and friends, and just enjoy the moment. Sana kayo rin nag-enjoy this Labor Day holiday, whether kasama ang family, friends, or kahit solo time lang. And of course, don't forget your ABC. Always bring cake. Ube cake, syempre. From Pan de Ordi. Thank you for watching and thank you for always supporting our small business. See you guys in the next one. Bye!